Okay, here is the vacuum. Let me just say I like the design of this. Really nice. Got that canister or bullet shape, some people would call it. And it's easy to take apart and clean. Granted, your dustbin is not the biggest, but nonetheless, it's got really good power to it, really good suction power. And it's got good blowing power on the other side. You can see that or not, but it's a blower too. Get a nice little satchel with it to carry it, and of course you get your attachments. You get your little 2-in-1. Little 2-in-1 here, and of course you got for your blowers in the back. You just stick them on like so, twist them in. Let's see if that's going to stay. Yep. And that's for your blow. So you got your different nozzles for that, which makes it handy. You got your USB cord and your little cleaning brush. And you got your little bendable tool here for other jobs. Anyway, I like it. Another nice thing about it, flip it around and you can have a flashlight, safety light if you're stuck on the side of the road, and that's very handy to have. This thing has really good suction power. It's a nice design. I really like it. It's lightweight. It's really nice. I like it. Like I said, you get the different attachments for the blower side. You get your crevice tool, your 2-in-1, a little satchel, and you get the lights. All right, there you go. I like it, and I definitely recommend it. Not a very big bin, but you know, if you're just doing your car, I think it'll be